Hi, hello, good morning again. I'm into my backyard garden and then showing you guys for a pretty quick short video only. And this kind of plants into the pot. It call it rhubards. It's rhubards that you can make like kind of sweet things like that. And I do have this at least over 2 years ago when I was bought this. It was pretty tiny little plants, and as I noticed that I guess every year it's really growing nicely, so I already move into the slightly bigger pot. Every year I have to move into a slightly bigger pot because I noticed that it's really getting bigger and they have to multiply with new babies right underneath. And the way I fertilize today, I don't use any kind of chemical fertilize because it's a part of it's a fruit plants that you can make kind of sweet as well. So I only have to use kitchen waste, things like that, of what I have into my kitchen, and that's the way I'm doing it. And watering today, since I only have to do water maybe 3 times in a week or every 2 days, things like that, especially the summertime now here, so I'm pretty much happy about it. Anyway, this is the only plants that I had to take some pretty quick short video for today. And the reason I love this kind of plants because the leaves is quite looking healthy and kind of heart shape as well, and it looks pretty healthy, and I love watching this kind of plants into my backyard garden. And yeah, and the lips, it's really make me feel attractive looking because it's kind of pretty and beautiful. Look at that, guys. It's really gorgeous, and I love it. This is my first time having this kind of plants. It's a rhubarbs plants. I mean, I don't know how to pronounce it properly, so I call it rhubarbs, things like that. So I'm not quite sure if it's the right pronunciation anyway. Yeah, really nice. And again, into my backyard patio, I have few more plants around here anyway, but I'm gonna take some few more videos later on once I have my time. Anyway, this for today I only have to take some pretty quick short video this kind of plants, and this is rhubarbs plants, and really looking forward to it again by repotting into a slightly bigger pot again for next year. Yeah, because it's really lovely, gorgeous looking. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Hoping to see you for my next round, and I hope everybody are all okay. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye for now. Bye.